How to fix camera lagging on recording a video on Snapchat. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. Before moving forward, please be noted the process is same for iOS as well as your Android devices. So, first of all, if you're having that problem, you need to ensure your Snapchat is updated. For that, you have to head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat. If it shows open, leave this as it is. If not, you have to tap on update and update your app. Moving forward, tap on your settings. Scroll all the way below, then tap on apps. Here also you have to search for Snapchat. So simply type in Snapchat and then search. Once you do so, tap onto your Snapchat application. Scroll below, then tap storage. Clear the cache, and if you remember the credentials like your username and password, you may also go ahead and tap on clear data and delete the data. Once you do so, come back onto app info page, tap on permission, and under camera, tap onto it and then tap on don't allow. Again, tap on camera and then allow while using the app. Now, once you do so, tap on set as default. Make sure this is untoggled. Come back, tap on force stop, and then OK. Once you do all this, you have to restart your device and launch your Snapchat application. Get logged into your account and this shall work. That is all for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.